Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 of the series I'm doing for Christmas cookie decoration ideas. In the last video, I showed you how to make the snowman and snowflakes. I'll leave the link down below. And in today's video, I bring the gingerbread boy and girl. I'm gonna use icing, which is a 10 to 15 second consistency. And I'm going to pipe the shirt, which I have outlined before with an edible marker. Then I'm gonna add the green sugar crystals, and with a brush or with the toothpick I'm going to gently remove the excess and let it dry for about an hour. Then I'm going to add the brown icing for the rest of his body, and I'm going to let that dry for at least an hour and then add the final details. I'm using regular royal icing, but I added a little bit of cocoa powder to give the brown tone, and this really goes well with the cookie because it enhances the chocolate flavor. For the buttons, I added a couple of hard sprinkles that I had, but any sprinkles will do. You can also pipe them with royal icing. And then I let that dry for at least 1 hour, and then I proceeded to add the eyes on the smile with edible marker, and then with a stiff royal icing I added the frame for the glasses. And now I'm gonna add the red sugar crystals and shake off the excess gently, and do the same for the arms and the legs. For the boys' finishing details, I'm going to use a couple of hard sprinkles and attach them as the bow. And then I'm going to use stiff icing to complete his face and the details on his arms and legs. I let it dry for 30 minutes, and then I added the final touches with edible marker. And that's it, the cookies are ready. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay tuned for the last video of the series where I show you how to make these Christmas trees. And this is part 1 of the series. I'll leave the link below in case you haven't seen it. Thank you for watching, have fun decorating, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!